Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to connect Xumo Stream Box. Before setting up your Xumo Stream Box, activate your Xfinity internet using the Xfinity app. Connect the HDMI cable to your TV and to your Xumo Stream Box. Turn on your TV and select the correct HDMI input from the TV's menu. Plug the power adapter into the electrical outlet and connect the power adapter to Xumo Stream Box. When the power indicator light turns on, your device is ready. Remove the plastic tab from the back of the remote and aim the remote directly at the Xumo Stream Box from within 10 feet and follow the on-screen instructions to pair the remote. Use the XR100 remote to select the language, and if your remote is unresponsive, you may need to unpair it from a previous device. You'll be asked to, if you'd like to enable voice guidance, select yes or no. Now, select how you'd like to connect your Xumo Stream Box with Wi-Fi, WPS, Ethernet cable, or skip to set up later. Just follow the on-screen prompts to connect your Xumo Stream Box to the internet and the device will update its software. Follow the prompts to sync your XR100 remote with your TV's volume and power controls, then select yes to continue. The name on your Xumo account should appear on screen. Confirm your account by selecting This is me. Review the Xfinity privacy policy, and if you agree, select Accept. Enter your 4-digit PIN, and if you change your PIN, use the updated one. The system will check your account status. Now you'll have to choose your Xumo Streaming Box is located in your home. Select your time zone and customize which streaming apps appear on your Xumo Stream Box home. You can always adjust this later. Now, once setup is complete, the Xumo Stream Box home screen will appear. You can explore features like voice research, personal profiles, or an improved TV guide for easy navigation. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.